Welcome to the Advantage Roofing Authority, brought to you by Advantage Roofing Company right here in Tyler, Texas. This show is built for homeowners across East Texas who want to make smart decisions when it comes to their roof, storm damage, and protecting their property. Each episode delivers straightforward, real-world insights so you can avoid costly mistakes, work with the right people, and get results that actually last. So, without further interruption, here's Jay Welling to dive into today's episode.
A lot of people see the trucks, the shingles, and the crews on the roof, but they don't see everything happening behind the curtain. There's a whole lot more to running a roofing company than most people know, especially during spring storm season here in Texas. Once those storms roll through Tyler and East Texas, the phones start ringing early and they usually don't stop. You've got homeowners dealing with leaks, insurance companies scheduling adjusters, material deliveries getting lined up, and inspections happening all over the place. The question we hear all the time is, what happens behind the scenes during busy roofing season in East Texas? The answer is simple. Everybody is moving fast, but if you're doing things the right way, there's a whole process happening before anybody ever climbs on your roof. The first thing we're doing is trying to figure out who actually has damage and who doesn't. We're not out here trying to sell every homeowner a roof they don't need, because that ain't how we do business at Advantage Roofing Company. A good roofing company in Tyler, Texas should inspect everything carefully and explain what they're seeing in plain English. Sometimes it's hail damage, sometimes it's wind damage, and sometimes the roof is honestly still in pretty good shape. Then comes the insurance side of things, and that's where things get complicated real quick. During busy roofing season in Texas, insurance adjusters are slammed, homeowners are stressed out, and communication starts breaking down if nobody is staying organized. That's one of the biggest reasons we tell homeowners to use a local roofing company. We go battle with the insurance company for the homeowner because most people have never dealt with roof claims before, and they shouldn't have to figure it all out alone. There are days during storm season where we've got crews running jobs, inspections happening across East Texas, supplements going into insurance companies, and materials being tracked all at the same time. It takes a lot of coordination to keep everything moving without dropping the ball. People also don't realize how much pressure there is on scheduling during the spring market. Everybody wants their roof done right away after a storm, but materials, labor, weather, and insurance approvals all have to line up correctly. That's where a lot of roofing companies get themselves into trouble. They overpromise, they rush jobs, and they start cutting corners just to keep up with volume, and homeowners end up paying for it later. We made a decision a long time ago that we're never going to do that. We would rather communicate honestly and do things the right way than slap roofs on houses just to make a quick dollar. I remember early on in business realizing just how much responsibility comes with this industry. When I first started Advantage Roofing Company, I thought roofing was mostly about building roofs, but the truth is you're managing people, schedules, suppliers, insurance paperwork, customer concerns, and weather all at once. That's why experience matters so much during roofing season in Texas. Anybody can put a magnet on a truck and call themselves a roofer, but not everybody can manage the chaos when storms hit East Texas and homeowners need real help. Another thing people don't see is the emotional side of the business. When somebody's home gets damaged, especially after a bad storm, they're stressed out, worried about money, and frustrated with the insurance process. A big part of our job is helping people calm down and understand what's happening next. We try to make it where they don't have to lift a finger because homeowners already have enough on their plate. That's also why communication matters so much during busy season. Even when things get hectic, we stay in touch with homeowners because nothing makes people more nervous than feeling ignored during a major roof replacement or insurance claim. At the end of the day, roofing season in East Texas is busy for everybody, but busy should never mean sloppy. A good roofing company stays organized, communicates clearly, and takes care of people even when the pressure gets high. Appreciate y'all tuning in to the Advantage Roofing Authority. If you think you've got roof damage or just want somebody honest to take a look, reach out and we'll take care of everything for you.
You've been listening to the Advantage Roofing Authority with Jay Welling, powered by Advantage Roofing Company right here in Tyler, Texas, your trusted team for roof inspections, storm damage repair, and full roof replacement across East Texas. If your roof has taken a hit or you just want to make sure everything's in good shape, we handle everything from inspection to insurance and getting the job done right. If you're planning a project or need guidance, call 9039-643636 or visit Advantage. roofingcompany.com to learn more. When it comes to roofing in East Texas, integrity and doing things the right way make all the difference. And this is where those conversations start. See you on the next episode.